if you're poor, just ride it. My solo, if you're ugly, just... Oi! Do you knock?
I did, but you didn't hear me. Are you the one that helps with asking people out?
My favorite color? Light maroon. I like to call it Samoan sunset. Okay, thank you very much. What do you need?
I really like this girl, and I want to ask her out, but I want to do it in a special way.
She like you back?
Yeah, I think so.
What's she into?
She's really into island music.
Oh, what is she?
She's hot. She's Samoan, I think.
I got you.
Well, I mean, I can sing, but I can't play.
Kaz!
What you need?
A Samoan love song. We are gonna write one.
Yeah. So we're gonna serenade an island girl. I like it, man.
And we're not doing a cover. We're gonna write an original.